Welcome to the Global Affairs Academy. Let's review an overview. The GST 2.0 report by the Government of India. GST rate cuts announced by Finance Minister Sitharaman, 5% and 80% to be two-man slab. New rates effective September 22. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman on Wednesday announced major goods and services tax GST rate cuts, saying that with the two-tier tax rate system approved, the common man will benefit greatly. The GST Council approved the two-tier rate structure of 5% and 18%. The GST rate rationalization will be implemented from September 22, according to a PTI report. For common man and middle class items, there is a complete reduction from 18% and 12% to 5%. Items such as hair oil, toilet, soap bar, shampoo, toothbrushes, toothpaste, bicycle, tableware, kitchenware and other household articles are now at 5%. Finance Minister Sitharaman said, milk, paneer, all the Indian bread will see nil rates, she added. Join us at Global Affairs Academy by subscribing the channel now to know the full episode. The 56th Goods and Services Tax GST Council meeting commences on Wednesday to review the potential rate reduction and category adjustment for numerous items under the indirect taxation system. The extensive 56th GST Council meeting, spanning 10.5 hours, provided a platform for the Centre and State to deliberate and discuss Council tax proposal. The GST Council endorsed a transition from the existing 4-tier GST framework 5, 12, 18 and 28% to a simplified two-rate structure of 5 and 18%. Additionally, certain items like high-end vehicles, tobacco and cigarette will attract a special 40% rate. The revised rates will come into effect from September 22. Coinciding with Navratri, essential food items will remain tax-free, while various everyday food products and beverages will likely see reduced rates from 18 to 5%. The modifications to the GST structure are crucial for boosting domestic consumption and helping businesses counter the impact of the United States 50% import duty on Indian products. Prime Minister Narendra Modi in his Independence Day address had announced the upcoming GST reforms and rates cuts. Finance Minister Sitharaman led the deliberation. The rationalization of rates would entail a financial impact of Rs 48,000 crore, which would be fiscally sustainable for centre and state. The GST revamp brings a majority of items in the 5% and 18% slab, with several items now facing 0% or nil tax and some added to the 40% sin tax slab. With GST cut on a lot of daily use household items, common man and middle class have big reason to cheer. Which items will face higher tax rate and which will now be cheaper? Here is a full list. Essential food items will remain tax-free and various everyday food products and drinks will see tax reduction to 5% from 18%. Household items from personal care to home care will have reduced tax from 12% to 5%, and personal care products now be taxed at 5% instead of 18%. The revised GST structure brings relief as cement prices will decrease from 28 to 18%. Smaller vehicles including petroleum and CNG variants along with diesel vehicles will also benefit from the reduced 18% rate. Thank you.